Hello guys, today I am explaining about sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means there is the formation and fusion of gamete either by same individual or by different individual of the opposite sex to form a zygote which develop to form the new organism. The male gamete is smaller and more active than the female gamete. Because of fusion of male and female gamete, sexual reproduction results in offspring not identical to their parents or among themselves. Sexual reproduction generally seen in multicellular organism, but it is also occur in unicellular. For example, algae, paramecium. In sexual reproduction, all organisms reach a definite growth and maturation phase as it is of two types, juvenile or vegetative phase and second reproductive phase. In juvenile phase, the organism have to reach a certain stage of growth and maturity in their life before they can reproduce sexually. In reproductive phase, plant reproductive phase can be seen when they come to flower, but in animal, juvenile phase is followed by morphological and physiological changes prior to active reproductive behavior. In non-primates, mammals like cow, sheep, rat, deer, etc., cyclic changes during reproduction that is called oestrus cycle. While in primates like for example monkey, apes, human, it is called menstrual cycle. Next phase, senescent phase. Senescent phase or old age, that is the end of the reproductive phase when there is slow metabolism. The rate of metabolism becomes slow. Old age ultimately leads to death. In sexual reproduction, there are three events. They are pre-fertilization, fertilization, post-fertilization. In pre-fertilization, two main pre-fertilization events are gametogenesis and gamete formation. The formation of male and female gamete is called gametogenesis. Gametes are haploid. Gametes are of two types, homogametes and heterogametes. Isogametes, homogamete is also called isogamete. Here all gametes are morphologically similar in their appearance. In heterogametes, here the gametes are morphologically different. Male gametes are called antherozoids or sperm and the female gametes are called egg. When both a male and female reproductive structure found in the same plant, it is called bisexual, and if it is found on different plant, it is called unisexual. Gametes are as haploid. A haploid parents produce gamete by mitotic division. This is a type of cell division. In pteridophytes, gymnosperm, angiosperm and most of the animals, the parental body is diploid and it divides by meiosis division. Now after gamete formation, they are brought together to facilitate fusion, that is called fertilization. This process is also called syngamy, result in the formation of diploid. In some organisms, female gamete undergo development to form new organism without fertilization. For example, rotifers, lizard, honeybee, etc. Fertilization is of two types, external and internal. In external fertilization or syngamy occur in the external medium like water. For example, in aquatic organism like fishes, algae. But in internal syngamy occur inside the body of the organism. For example, mammals, reptiles, birds, etc. Now, post-fertilization, this event occurs in sexual reproduction after the formation of diploid zygote. That is called post-fertilization. Now, what is the zygote? Formation of diploid zygote is universal in all the sexually reproducing organisms. Those organisms which exhibit external fertilization, zygote is formed in the external medium, whereas in those exhibiting internal fertilization, zygote is formed inside the body of the organism. For the development of zygote depend upon the type of life cycle the organism has and the environment it is exposed to. Zygote is a vital link that ensures continuity of species between organism of the one generation and the next.